This is WBTV News Update on Bounce.
Black Friday deals may be over, but Cyber Monday is just getting started. While retail analysts say it's the last chance to get deep discounts before prices rise heading up into the Christmas holiday. Good morning and welcome to WBTV News This Morning. I'm Chandler Wicker and it's Monday, December 1st. New this morning, law enforcement officials are looking at the computers and talking to the friends of 3 teenage Colorado girls. They were picked up in Germany when authorities suspected they may have been trying to join ISIS. Chris Van Cleve has the latest on the investigation. Gas prices are at the lowest level in nearly 4 years, and analysts say they're likely to keep on falling. A report shows the price at the pump dropped 33 cents in October, saving Americans $250 million a day. That's compared to prices early in summer. The national average for a gallon of regular gas is now $2.99. New information this morning on a deadly shooting at this car wash on Sunset Road in Charlotte. Police now tell us the victim is 19-year-old Jose Cuestas. Officers believe he and the shooter knew each other, and this is not a random crime in Charlotte. Charlotte-Mecklenburg police say the shooter jumped into a nearby car and sped away. If you have any information, you can call Crime Stoppers at 704-334-1600. Now a quick check of your First Alert weather.